Be bold. Raise your washing machine. Most traditional laundry areas have storage above, washing machines below, and an empty space in between, which wastes space and requires you to crouch to do laundry. Instead, try this. Build a frame using tiles for the exterior. Elevate the washing machine so you don't have to bend over. Place large drawers below for storing laundry. Add a pull-out shelf in the middle to make it easier to retrieve and fold clothes. Custom laundry sink by the window. Leave extra space below for an outlet and water connections. Integrate a robot vacuum to handle floor cleaning. Custom combination cabinet. Provide daily storage needs. A pull-out drying rack in the middle. Easily hang clothes to dry and retract it when not in use to save space. Thin cabinet with pull-out pegboard on the right side. Perfect for storing small tools. Open shelf under wall cabinets. Ideal for frequently used items. Follow us for more design ideas.